So what's up guys, today I'm going to show you how to replace your cabin filter from a '08 Toyota Matrix, but I think the same thing from 2003 to 2011 or something like that. I mean, if I'm wrong, please excuse me. Okay, it's pretty simple. You just go to the passenger side. You're gonna get your glove box right here. Your cabin filter is like behind this. It's pretty easy to get access to it. You're gonna have to pull this, and then you need to push this ones, like the sides of the glove box, because your cabin filter is like back there. Okay, like I said, you just push this ones to the side, like this one, and this one this way, and this thing is gonna pop just like that. As you can see, there's your cabin filter right here. I mean, you can even pull the whole thing if you want, or if you get enough room right here, you just pull this lid, this little cover right here, and there's your cabin filter. You just pull it. See all that? So you just get a new one, which I have right here. Make sure you see the arrow. Put it back in place. Just like that. That's it, and you just push the glove box back in place. That's it. It's that easy, guys. Any questions, just let me know. Please comment, subscribe to my channel for more information about different cars. Please give me a thumbs up. All right. Thank you. Have a nice day, guys.